Hi, I'm the car lady here at Highway Mazda, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about your keyless fob. All right, so normally you have to have the fob in the vehicle if you want to start the car. But what happens if the battery inside the fob goes dead? Well, quite simply, it's not going to unlock the door, and neither is it going to start the car. But there's a secret compartment. In the back, there's a little tab right there. When you push that tab down, you can pull out a key from the end. Now this key is going to help you get into the car. There's a little part where you put your key in and you unlock the car. No big deal. You put that back in because there's no place to put the key inside the car. But right here, this Mazda logo, when you put it against the start button, you can press the button. Once your foot is on the brake, you push the start button with this instead of with your finger. You push it with this, voila, it starts. That's how to do it if your battery's dead in your fob. And don't forget, pop in anytime, and your battery in here is under warranty, or you can pop in at any Walmart or Canadian Tire and pick up a little watch battery that fits. All right, you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Carla Ann, the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, 204-326-6437. See you.